Let's look at exercise 5. In this exercise, I introduce a new technique. First, you play a chord with your thumb and third finger of your right hand on F and A. Then you hold your thumb while you play again A with your third finger and C with your fourth finger. Then you release your thumb and you play the other two notes in the first bar. The second bar begins the same. So you play the chord with your thumb and third finger. You hold your thumb while you play A again and then G with your second finger. Then you release your thumb and you play the chord EA with your thumb and third finger. You hold this last chord for 2 beats because it's a half note. Let's look at the rhythm. I believe you can do this. The exercise starts on the first beat, so you have a count-in of 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're ready to practice exercise 5 at 45 BPM. I'll get back to you after you've practiced exercise 5 at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.